To make an immediate interbank payment, simply click on Pay and select Pay New Beneficiary. Fill in the recipient's banking details and the beneficiary's bank. Enter their account number and reference, then select Next. Choose your preferred method of notification, then click Next and confirm the recipient's details. Once your beneficiary is added, proceed to the payment screen. Fill in the amount you want to pay, choose Immediate Interbank Payment and select Next. Confirm the payment details and accept the disclaimer by clicking Accept and Pay. Once you have accepted, a final payment confirmation will pop up. Select Accept and confirm the verification request to finalize your payment. Your immediate interbank payment is now successfully completed.